the civil society is represented, even if the religious leaders are represented, so that nobody is left out, even people with disability.
But I think our friends are also now ready, and we want them to engage so that they can look. As you remember, both sides had their set of agendas, and it's important they get synchronized. And that we leave to the technical team to be able to provide the way forward. Once that is agreed, I think we'll be on our way. We'll be on our way. Okay.
Thank you. Yes, Your Honor, if I may.
Yeah.
My name is Michael Kojo. I'm a member of the Interface Community Health Desk. I've traveled all the way from Homa Bay County as an interested party in the national dialogue based on the national values and principles of good governance as anchored in Article 10. So, as a patriotic citizen, I deemed it fit that I had to pay my own coin to travel all the way in
Only one coin?
Yeah?
Your own coin. You paid your own coin.
My own coin as a patriotic citizen.
Okay.
And it is my pleasure, Your Honor, that as we had our memorandum,
Okay.
which we would like also to submit in the committee, because if you look at the committee, the dialogue in the country of Kenya should be people-driven dialogue, not leaders-driven dialogue. And the issues need to come from the people of the Republic of Kenya. And then the leaders will sit down, they synchronize on them, they counter-check, both the technical teams. If these issues are to be presented before the bipartisan talks by the political outfit, then they need to counter-check on whether those issues are similar. And then it will be people-centered, even if the civil society is represented, even if the religious leaders are represented. So that nobody is left out, even people with disability. Okay. That's all I have, Your Honor.
We hear you. We hear you. It's a matter that we actually covered briefly last time, because like you, other interested Kenyans felt they could present memorandum. It's an issue for us to discuss as a team and then let you know the way forward.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Great, asanteni.
Just to be clear, do you expect any other press today or we're done?
I don't think it does that.
That's why, you know, I started by telling him, I know you could actually just, I've seen some other guys around Bomas. Thank you. Everybody comes to Bomas, so thank you.
Asanteni.